Hello everyone. I took a short break from building on my barndominium to tell you about the short life of Stanley Fat Max. I bought him about a year ago or so from the hardware store. He sat on the shelf for about 11 months and 3 weeks. And I brought him out into the field one day and we got caught up in the rainstorm. And sure enough, he started delaminating. In the great famous words, I think of some great Roman conquistador. Come on, man! You're better than that. Oh no, what happened to Stanley? Oh, never mind, man. Somehow you're better off than you were before.